everybody, it's Stephanie with Coco and Allie Boutique Crafting Page, coming to you with a cute live craft. So I was telling y'all last night that we're going to make some firecrackers out of pool noodles. So that's what I'm here to show y'all. And I'm not going to measure or anything. So I'm just going to cut it the length I want, think I want it. And I'm going to do like 3 different heights for this. And I'm just using a serrated knife. It cuts right through. Oh, thank you, Michelle. It cuts right through the foam of these. And like I said, I'm doing 3 different heights. So I'm doing each one, just like a couple inches shorter than the last. All right. And they're not going to be perfectly straight on the top, but it doesn't matter. But you see how I did that? And I've got some patriotic ribbon that I'm going to decorate them with. And I got this at Walmart yesterday. And I think I paid $3 or $4 for the roll of it. And it's 3 yards, it's 9 feet. And I'm just measuring around it to see how much I need. All right, so I'm gonna cut some little strips of these too. To glue around these. So I'm just going to wrap these around these. And just glue them. Ooh. Okay. I'm just trying to fix these, y'all. So you see how I just put 3 on there and then the one on the bottom. And then I'm gonna put this one on here. And y'all, I'm just using a little bit of glue. I'm gonna put one more on here. And y'all can decorate these however you want them. You can Mod Podge napkins on them or scrapbook paper. You can do it however you want. Okay, so that's the way the first 2 look. Now I'm on to the last one. Okay, so that's the 3 of them. And now I'm just going to take some and glue them together so that it'll look like this. I'm just running a bead of glue down it, and it's going to melt your foam. It's fine. Don't worry about it. Nobody is going to see it. And then just hold them together. And then this one will go on the front. I'm just doing a bead of glue. And like I said, that hot glue is going to melt your foam, but it doesn't matter. Nobody's going to see where it was anyway. So there you have that. Simple, right? And then the next thing is we got to make the explosions coming out of the top. And I got these napkins at Dollar Tree, the little patriotic napkins. I think I'm just going to cut it in half. And y'all can cut these in, make these any size you want. I was thinking about making a few small ones to go on my little tiered tray that I made. So once you do that, just kind of pucker it up and stick it down in the hole. Oh, I don't need that inside there. That's why that's so thick. You don't need the line, the inside of the napkin. Just the outside. I'm going to do this with each one of these. And then the next thing we're going to do is I got this garland at Dollar Tree. And we're going to take it and cut some pieces. So I'm just going to cut some pieces of this, okay? And they don't have to be very, very long. I'm going to take my little Sharpie marker and I'm going to, you don't want to twirl the whole thing, leave a straight stem to stick down in there. But I'm going to leave a straight end to stick down in there, but I'm going to twirl them like that. And you just do that by just wrap it around a pencil or something. I'm just going to twirl all these real quick. Okay, so you see how I just twirled all those. I don't know if you can. There you go. You can see now. It's hard with this striped shirt that I'm wearing. And then I'm just going to stick these down in here. Inside the hole. And I'll just do a few on each one. Let me get these done and I'll show you. Oh. That one's not wanting to. There we go. I'm like, why aren't you going in there? And I'm not gluing these. You can if you want. I'm not gluing these in. So see how that looks? I don't know if you can even tell. All right, y'all, is that not, hang on, let me flip that down a little bit. Isn't that cute, y'all? Little firecrackers. And then I also got this to make a big one out of. So on this one, I'm just gonna stick one of these down in there and then some of these. Let me move this stuff so y'all can see. And I'll probably do these longer on this one since it's bigger. And I'm gonna twirl these too. You don't have to twirl yours. I just like the twirly look. So there's one. And y'all, they're super cheap to make. I mean, you can make a whole bunch of them out of one pool noodle and one pack of napkins and one thing of this garland. Because I've got 3 done already, and I still have that much of the pool noodle left. All right, y'all, so now I'm just going to stick these down in here just like we did on the skinny ones. All right, y'all, so that's that one. Let me fix this napkin. But anyway, that's the big one, y'all. And you can make a couple of these for, like, you know, centerpieces for your 4th of July picnic or your Memorial Day, Labor Day, Flag Day, all the summer holidays. All right, so there they are, y'all. The finished products. All right, and I'll talk to y'all later. Love you guys. Bye-bye.